Hello everyone, I am Surendra Yanorkar, working in Department of Electronics, Sri Shivaji College, Parbhani. In this video, we learn about Introduction to Communication Electronics. Before go to Introduction, let us see which topic covered in this paper. I am going to make topic-wise video of BSc TY semester 5th, paper number 12, that is Communication Electronics First. There are 4 units in this paper. The first is based on Basic of Communication System. Second unit is based on amplitude modulation. Third unit is frequency modulation, and fourth unit is pulse modulation. Now, today we will start with unit first, that is Introduction to Communication System. We are very well aware about the word communication. It is the process of exchanging the information. Now, communication between two human beings can be verbal, non-verbal, via body language or written words, etc. Nowadays, we use different modes of communications such as mail, SMS, video calls, social media, etc. Communications always takes place from source to a destination, and in between them there is various element present. Now let us discuss the brief history of communication. We learn about communication during a specific time period. We will start from the time of ancient period of communication, called as ancient communication. Now, in early humans during the Stone Age, that is approximately 200,000 BC, started to communicate and express their thoughts and feelings by signs or gesture. See in the picture. They were able to send signal via fire, drums and whistles. Later on, approximately 30,000 BC, the humankind started to communicate via cave paintings, a type of parietal art, also cave art, found on the wall and ceilings of caves. Now, another form of early communication was during the era of camel messengers. Approximately in 900 BC, people used to give their message to a person who delivered it while riding a camel. Now, other form of communication were messenger pigeons. They were first used in 7076 BC. After the messenger pigeons came the first postcard service approximately 1861. The first commercially produced card was created in 1861. As the 19th century came around, the great minds working toward the improving communication took a large step, that is, electricity was incorporated into communication channels, coming the term telecommunications. The first of this invention was the electric telegraph in 1831 by a man named Joseph Henry. Electric telegraph was a point-to-point text message system. After that, Alexander Graham Bell developed the first prototype of the electric telephone in 1867. As we know, an electric telephone is a telecommunication device that permits two or more users to conduct a conversation when they are too far apart to be heard directly. After invention of telephone, radio and television become a great source of information in the early 19th. Not only did they provide musical entertainments, but they also delivered news, sports, and weather to listeners. After radio and television, Martin Cooper invented the first handheld cellular mobile phone in 1973. He is considered the father of handheld cell phone. The computer was invented towards the beginning of the 20th century. But the features for communications were not created until the mid to late 19th. In 1965, online written communication expanded into email. Communications evolved even further with the invention of Internet and the World Wide Web, which begin use in 1989. Global information medium, that is the World Wide Web, or simply the web, was invented. Fast forward and communications nowadays has become even easier with the invention of video conferencing software. Is a perfect example of communication technology accommodating to the fast-paced information age. People no longer had to be in the same place for the face-to-face communication. This was a huge development for people and businesses who frequently communicate from long distances. Now, another dominator of 21st century communications tool is a social media. Social media websites are online communication and networking tools where people can connect and share ideas. Communication is necessary for survival of the human race. But have we taken it too far? Love it or hate it, communication technology is here to stay and will only continue to expand in the future. Here I am talking about the introduction of communication. In next video, we will learn about block diagram of communication system, how the communication system work, and see the function of each block. Thanks for watching this video.